Hello, I have a temu haul, little temu haul. Victor's here helping me, so it's Mr. Retros.
Hi everybody.
He's checking the camera, make sure everything's okay. Got all my Christmas stuff put away. Hallelujah. That was fun. Not really. So, this stuff, let me see. I think this was influencer. I can't remember. There's other, I got another wrist. This one's for me. Those plug-in wrist things that I ordered from him. You have to keep them plugged in. They don't charge up. So I got a refund on them. I mean, you have to sit there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is these are the kind of that work well for me. This kind. It's just like that other one I have. Victor, do you like it too? You don't need that. Yeah, you don't need that. So these are actually pretty good. And these are very reasonably priced. So pretty good on that. And then
Can you take the thing out of
yeah,
it?
and you can make it left or right. You just
Can you take the
Yeah.
stiffener off?
I think so. No? No, you can't on this one.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. That one's for me anyway. I like to have that stability here on mine. He doesn't like it. So. This one I got for you.
Oh, for me?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Well, it's a new one, eh?
New one. Yeah. Darn it. Yeah. This is like that other one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you can take the
Thing out, yeah.
yeah. See, you can take the metal piece out if you want.
Yeah.
He doesn't like. This is the one that I had. Where is it? And let me see. It broke around here, and inside here is some rubbery stuff. This whatever's inside here is a latex or resin based product, and I still have ghost marks from the latex reaction to it. So it's kind of so there's yours. Everybody gets a wristband. You get a wristband. You get a wristband. Everybody gets a wristband.
Yeah, if you're over a certain age.
Yeah, wristband. And then I ordered these little teeny tiny studs. Earring studs. Let's see if I can get into them. Model.
Yeah, it's just like the other one. Eh?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
They're pretty good.
Until they fall apart.
See, here's the thing you take out. Well, I do. It restricts your movement if you're trying to do
I
stuff.
like it because I'm supposed to restrict my movement. Oh boy.
But if you're like working or doing something.
Yeah. I got these are little teeny tiny earring studs.
Okay.
Yeah, I got two of them. I'm afraid to take them both out. They're so small, if I drop them, they'll be lost. So, two of those right there. And, yes. Oh, I got some more of these. What you call them? Bowl covers. Saran bowl covers. They're not very big, though. I mean, they're okay for a small bowl. They need bigger ones. But I like them, you know. And what's this? Oh, this is a phone stand. The other ones are kind of slippy. I might use this one. It's just an acrylic phone. Oh, it's all covered with, let's see, plastic. So it's just a phone stand for your phone. So that's kind of nice. Yeah. Okay. Let me put this down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it's not bad. And these were really like $1 something. Oh, and this. Oh, I didn't get back up here.
But he just took off.
Oh, he took off. I got this raincoat for him. This is a small. Because we go on walks, and sometimes it's raining.
ducks.
He's got little duckies on it. It's pretty cute. Oh, this is supposed to go over there. Oh boy, good luck
No,
getting
he
his
won't like
feet
that.
through here.
No,
No, no, he took off.
that'll protect him.
Yeah,
Where'd
where'd he go? Victor.
Victor. Oh, that's.
Oh, he
that is
found his stick.
precious
All right,
stick.
all right.
Okay,
Come on
come
up
on.
here, buddy.
Okay.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Let's see. This goes like this. It's right. And then his leash can go through that hole. Just so it opens.
Oh yeah, total protection.
Yeah. Right. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And just like that. His head is. It's pretty good. Yeah. And it's waterproof. Okay. So we don't have to, because they kind of try to time it so it's just like barely drizzling. I wear a hat and stuff, but he hasn't. And his shirts all come like to here. So this gives him nice protection. Plus, you look so swanky.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's not very happy.
No. He doesn't
I'm
want-
not happy about this situation.
But you sure look
Well, he
cute.
won't want to walk in that get up.
Oh, I bet he will. I bet he will. Oh.
Yeah, if he
yeah.
starts acting out, you put something on him
Yeah.
like that. This is what he does.
Yeah, it chills him right out. He just gets like he's paralyzed. And they had a sale on Labubu. Get Labubu open.
Okay, Victor.
I can't get it open. Get me a scissors, please. I can't get this open. Oh, I got it. There, I got it. Right there. Okay. Oh, he's blushy. Oh, he's good. Look at that.
Nice.
Oh, he's cute. He's kind of like a little mole. Pop mark. Yeah, this is pretty good. I want to take a picture of him. Leave it on him, please. So, I think that's all we've got. You like it, Victor?
Not really.
Oh.
It'll be okay, Victor. I'll be your friend.
So that's what I've got for today. Happy New Year, everybody, and I'll see you next year. Bye. Say
Bye.
bye.
Ba